We are starting with the basic calculations and basic formulas. So let's take a look at building a basic calculation in Excel sheet. Nothing bigger, but we are going to do some maths. So we will be starting with a basic formula performed in Excel, and then we will continue into a course and we will get into more advanced formula function in Excel. And today I am going to start with basic sum. I want a total of each month and each bill. So how can I do it? You can have a clear look. See, if I need the total of all the bills, अगर मुझे सारे bills का total चाहिए जनवरी month का, तो मैं क्या करूँगी? अगर देखिए मैं ऐसे करती हूँ, is equal to is very important while doing any mathematical calculation. You can do is equal to, you can select this cell, then you will enter a plus sign, then this cell plus this cell plus this, that is C7 plus C8, and then you will enter and your total is 9250. And when you will, if you want to change any of the figures, your calculation will automatically be changed and you can here see it. You can see it on your total that your total value is effective. So this was the first way you can do your calculation. You can total it. So I am going to tell you about the another way, that is, first I'll delete this. The formula for simple formula for adding is equal to caps sum, bracket open, and then you will select these columns from C4 to C8. You will close the bracket and enter. Here is your sum, and you can do it same like for the total of each bill for each month. How you can do is equal to sum, bracket open, you will select C4 to E4, bracket close, enter. Now you have to do this for each month. The basic shortcut to do this is, you can copy this with the help of Control C, copy this total and will paste it here. The numeric value will not be pasted, but your formula will be pasted. You can see here sum D4 is to D8, but here the sum was for C4 to C8, like this. And now second way to take it easier, here you will click on the right corner and you will drag it here. Your formula will be dragged. Like in the same way you will drag it here also, and your formula will be copied to each cell. If I want to do this like this, my total expenditure was 40,540. Here is your total for the 4 months. If you want to do the difference, like this is your total and you want to remove the rent bill from it, there is no need to do it manually. What you will do is equal to you will just do is equal to, you will select this cell minus this cell, and this is your total without rent. So we have learned two formulas, addition and subtraction. And now I'll tell you how you can do multiplication. Like you are seeing here, rent is same for each month. Instead of adding same number again and again, what you can do is equal to this cell into, like I have to do for 12 months, 42,000 for your rent. So if somebody tells you that your rent for The whole year is 50,000. And you have to calculate the each month rent. What will you do? Is equal to this cell divided by 12, like you need it for each month. So your rent for each month is 4,166.667. So these were the four basic formulas we discussed in this video. That was how to sum, subtract, multiply and divide in Excel sheet. Hope you all liked the video. I'm Diksha. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the new video.